He's your senior by 3 years. You're going to shadow him for the day, Denji.
I thought you and me would be working together as a team.
Well, you figured wrong. She's still out of your league, you don't even play the same sport. Let's go patrol.
Wait, please, Miss Makima!
Really? Get up.
No way! I ain't going anywhere unless it's with her!
Perform well and we'll work together down the road. The road's length depends on you.
Come with me. Yeah, you really should quit. Show up tomorrow and I'll kick your ass again.
What's your problem?
Just that my kindness seems a bit wasted on you. People who don't knuckle down and wise up to this job die. Every associate I've met that got into devil hunting for the paycheck is pushing up daisies now, and that's not an exaggeration. The only ones who survive are those with strong convictions at their core. Let me guess. Makima's the sole reason you're here, am I right?
Bingo!
Then I'm glad I beat the crap out of you. I'll do you a favor and tell her you ran away, terrified by the devils that would have ended you.
Thought you were full of it when you said you wasted kindness on me. But you are nice, cause when I fight a dude, it's nuts or nothing! A testicle devil appeared and went apeshit on his nutsack, ma'am.
No, he's lying. He made that entire thing up.
It's the sea cucumber devil. Requesting backup in front of the station. Yeah, sea cucumber. Animal technically. Look, what I'm trying to say.
Holy shit.
Mortals, behold! The glory of the kill is mine!
Suppose she might not be Devil Hunter material.
The one who commanded me to kill was this cur!
You liar! Jeez, stop making crap up!
Nay, I have made up no crap! But you told me to obliterate the target without question, so confess your sin!
Huh? What a creep! She's more like the bullshit devil! Fake-ass faker! Miss Makima should arrest you for fraud!
Hark! More calumny, even now! Devils don't tell lies. Deception is a human tactic.
First time I heard that one! Lying about lying proves you're guilty! Shit for brains!
It's human nature. My concern is that only you can fight it. The second its bulbous eyes gaze upon me, alas, the cat becomes a fluffy shield. Should that transpire, all is lost.
I had a pet devil. His name was Pochita. I'll never be able to pet the little guy ever again, but it's cool. 'Cause he's alive right inside here.
How foolish you humans are. Your words suggest Pochita is dead. Death is the absence of life. Nothing lives in your heart, so spare me. It's just a pathetic attempt at self-comfort.
Yeah, true. Guess you're right. I'll never get along with this chick. Ever.
Absurd! I want you dead!
I've gone through a whole lot of crap up till now. Been patient as a freaking saint. So why haven't I got to cop a single damn thing? if it isn't the shit devil whose turds turn to cement and stick to the bowl? Huh?
We had a deal, did we not? My chest is yours for the fondling. Fondle away. What's the matter? Aren't you exhilarated? Commence your caressing. You are thrice blessed. Which means you've earned the honor of squeezing my chest 3 times.
Why'd I get 3?
Once for safely rescuing my cat. Slaying the Bat Devil got you a 2nd one. And your 3rd is for protecting me, even when Top Knot was interrogating you. I had no intention of letting you do this at first. But I should repay you, yes? Somehow. So squeeze them gratefully. Oh, wow. That feels nice.
What's this thing?
Tis a pad of the bra. Bosoms appear larger when this wondrous item's applied. Come, claim thy 2nd feel! Now, the final fondling! And that's it! Squeezing complete! Was it not the most splendid experience? Stunned by just how fortunate you are? Now 'tis fair to call us even. With Meowie back in my custody,
There's so much I could say, but...
Yet there is no escaping Makima, which is why I shall continue to help you lot. I'm sure the pleasure is all yours. To bed we go, Meowie, my dearest.
That's it? Meat chunks or whatever, so that's the plan for now. Once the gun devil's dead and buried, I'll get lots of smoocheroos.
Wow, that is a bold thing to say in front of Aki.
And besides, I learned a lesson I took to heart. When it comes to naughty stuff, it feels way better when it's with someone you know, right? I don't even know your name, so I couldn't be less interested in your lips.
Then, if the winner happens to be you, Denji, your reward will have a little tongue in it.
Right!
Himeno gets really friendly when she's drunk.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, and apart from you greenhorns, I think she's kissed everyone here. There's no escaping her.
Then it's in the bag. Oh my god. Today I am gonna get my first kiss ever.
Kiss?
Miss Makima!
Pardon me. 1 draft beer when you get a chance.
Please, have a seat. I insist.
I've never seen Miss Makima in the flesh before.
Denji, are you going to kiss somebody?
Oh, hell no!
Shame. You don't want to kiss me
Hell yeah!
It's 120 then.
Fushi's also got a high IQ, don't ya?
Specifically 134.
You're a little too proud if you remember it so well.
Mine's somewhere between 500 and 1,000. Yes.
You okay?
Oh my.
Wait, today's special.
She's watching. She has a front row seat. Hang on. Is that her tongue I'm feeling? It feels good. It's so soft. What the hell? Her tongue. It's melting in my mouth. Wait, I think that's...
Well, that's gonna leave some drama.
Oh, gracious. Could we get a towel over here? Or anything to wipe this up?
Just watch! This entire fiasco is about to get way worse! If it holds nutritional value and enters his mouth, he's prone to swallow no matter what!
受けるみたいだな。デンジ、お前は何のために戦ってる？
この生活を守るためかな。
公安様はそんな大層な暮らししてんのか？
口うるせえのとわがままなのがいるけどまあそこそこ気に入ってるぜ。だからさっさとてめえ倒してマキマさんに褒めてもらうんだ。
お前は俺には勝てねえよ。
ああ、もう勝ったつもりでいんのか？俺はまだ死んでねえぞ。
ザコが
どこ行った？
ただいま車内に異常が発生。緊急停車いたします。ドアが開きますので速やかに外へ避難してください。ただいま車内に異常が発生。緊急停車いたします。ドアが開きますので速やかに外へ避難してください。
おいおいおいおい！ああ、禁止にしようぜそれ。
ほざけ。終わりだ。もう戦えないだろうな。デンジ、じいちゃん殺したこと死ぬ前に謝罪しろ。
まだ戦えるぜ。頭んチェーンソーが残ってるからね。
バカが！じいちゃんにも教わらなかったか、引き時ってやつをよ。じいちゃんに謝罪しろ。そうしたら楽に殺してやる。
ご丁寧に頭狙ってくれてよ。あんがとな、バーカ！今から大会を開く。
は？大会？
お、いいとこに来たな。
こちら4課早川。時計館前線路内にて拘束済みの目標を発見。応援求む。
早川の先輩も参加するか？最強の大会によ。
お前は何を言ってんだ？
こいつは姫の先輩を弾で撃った。だからこいつも弾を撃たれるべきだろ。だから大会を開く。お互いにこいつの金玉を蹴っていって、警察が来るまでに一番でけえ悲鳴を出させたやつの勝ち。
正気かお前。
あ？呼んねえのか？
俺たちの仕事はこいつを捕まえることだ。いたぶって嘘を晴らすことじゃない。姫野先輩、 天国まで聞こえるか？俺たちからあんたへのレクイエムだ。